Hey, it's Sam of What Yacht To Do, and we are here at Windmill Harbor Marina in Hilton Head. And let's take a walk around the marina, take a look at some potential looper boats. So this is a very unique boat. It's a Detling 51-foot boat. Beautiful boat. And I don't even know if they make them anymore, but they only made about 2 a year. As we go over here to the left, you'll see a pirate ship that is for sale. And there you have it. You could have your own pirate ship. It looks very pirate-esque, doesn't it? And this is a beautiful boat. It is a Grand Banks East Bay, 51 feet in length. They're doing some work on her, and just an absolute gorgeous boat. And here is an Aquila 36, relatively new model, and we had seen one in Fort Myers. There's a looper out there, and their boat name is Let Time Go Lightly. So if you see them out there, say hello to them. But Aquila, becoming very popular catamaran out there.
Sounds of the morning. This is Windmill Harbor Marina on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Nature.
Here we have in the corner is a really nicely decked out Nordic tug named Despedida. Nordic tug, very classic looking boat, very sturdy boat. Here we have the famous Bob 423 Fleetwing. Benetel 423, and Bob does a lot of great things. Had the pleasure of dining with Bob and his lovely wife Anne last night. And likely we'll see them along the way. Has saved a lot of people a lot of trouble. Thanks, Bob.
Have you ever wondered what the perfect boat is for the Great Loop?
The Great Loop is a 6,000-mile journey around the eastern United States and parts of Canada.
We took the top 20 questions that we were asked about the boat, and they include the types of boats and the configuration, conveniences that you may want to have, navigation equipment, insurance, as well as shopping for your boat.
This Great Loop Q&A session on the boat will help you select your boat, or if you already have one, get it ready for the loop. Right across from the Here's to Us, we see a 45 Cantius, a cruiser's Cantius. Nice modern boat with the pod system on it. Beautiful marina here. And here is a Swift trawler, also produced by Benetel. This one's a 44 with a flybridge. So we're standing in front of the South Carolina Yacht Club here on Hilton Head, and just panning around to the south, I guess it would be, where boats are moored there, and right in front of houses that are just beautiful houses. And now looking out toward the Intracoastal, and we'll go out and take a look at the lock. So the marina here with the yacht club and Windmill Harbor is controlled by a lock, and the level in here stays plus or minus 6 inches, I'm told. And we have this little drawbridge that we're going to walk across. Here is also the lock wall, and as we pan around here, we'll actually see the lock 80 some feet long and 18 or 19 feet wide. And out there you'll see the lower lock wall. Right now it was low tide about an hour and a half ago, and the tide is starting to coming up. And the area that we are concerned about is after the lock there. There's a low area there, so we're giving it a little bit more time to do that. But very neat and unique, I think, harbor here on the Intracoastal Waterway along America's Great Loop.
This is one of the prettiest marinas we've ever stayed at, don't you think? It's really nice.